Hi, I'm Magda from Portuguese with Magda. Today we are talking about how to pronounce the alphabet in Brazilian Portuguese. Let's start. How to pronounce the alphabet in Portuguese could be important to you if you travel to Brazil or if you know someone in Brazil, because in Brazil we have a lot of different names. So if you know about the alphabet, you can ask people, how do you spell that? How do you spell your name? Como se soletra seu nome? Let's start the alphabet. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, I, J, J, K, Q, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, 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 U, U, V, V, X, X, Y, Y, W, W, Z, Z. So if you like this type of information, please subscribe, like, and share this information with other people. And also, I am offer a program for you to learn Brazilian Portuguese. You will speak as a native speaker. Please contact me in the link in the description and let's learn Brazilian Portuguese. See you soon. Bye bye.